was watching the West Indies struggle somewhat in their T20 series against England and looking closer at the current construct of the West Indies team under coach Darren Sammy. The batting is quite deep, we assume, to compensate for the mediocre bowling. The problem is, though, that the deep batting lineup is not translating to higher scores. Invariably, we lose early wickets and then the lower order gets stuck doing a repair job and then the team limps to 140 or 150. Often, it appears that no batter wants to take responsibility. Every man a swipe and out, like the next man in will come and make the runs. And when you look, we're 85 for 6, scrambling again to 150, which most times against quality teams is not enough. If the team is stacked with batters, normal conditions, but responsibly to target over 200 runs, give or take, in order to give the mediocre bowling something to defend. Please and thanks.